2 regroupings with 3 digits instruction. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about regrouping twice with 3 digits. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Please copy this problem down. 523 minus 146. We're going to subtract this problem together. Please remember that when you write down a problem, it is important to make sure that your place values are lined up correctly. When we subtract one place value at a time. We're going to begin with 3 minus 6. We will circle the big number, which is 6. 6 is on the bottom. That means we need to borrow. That means that this 3 becomes a 13, and this 2 becomes a 1. Now, looking at this problem, I see that 4 is bigger than 1, but I'm not there yet. Don't worry about any other place value until you subtract 13 minus 6. Let's do that together. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now let's move to the tens place value. Between 1 and 4, 4 is the biggest number. It's on the bottom, so it means I need to borrow. The process of borrowing does not change. We just have to recognize that 2 is no longer the number we're looking at. Instead, we're looking at the 1. So, because the big number's on the bottom, we have to borrow. That 1 becomes an 11, and the 5 becomes a 4. It's the exact same process. Even though we have to do it twice, we follow the same steps. Now let's count. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Finally, we'll circle the 4, touch and count. 4, 3. Our answer is 377. Be sure to check your work. I'm going to write down a few problems. I'd like you to copy them down. 670 minus 297 and 345 minus 186. We will answer these together, one place value at a time. We will begin with 0 minus 7. Circle the 7 on the bottom, which tells us to borrow. The 0 becomes a 10. We cross off the 7, that becomes a 6. Now we will subtract 10 minus 7. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, we have 6 minus 9. I'll circle the 9, which is on the bottom, which means we have to borrow. The 6 becomes a 16. I'll cross off the 6 in the hundreds place value, and that becomes a 5. Now I will touch and count backward. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Finally, I'll circle the 5, touch and count. 5, 4, 3. Our answer is 373. In the next problem, we have 5 minus 6. I'll circle the 6, which is on the bottom, which means I have to borrow. 5 becomes 15. The 4 becomes a 3. I will subtract 15 minus 6 before I move on. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Next, between 3 and 8, I'll circle the 8, which is again on the bottom, so it means I'll have to borrow. That 3 becomes a 13, and then I cross out this 3 and it becomes a 2. Now I can subtract 13 minus 8. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Finally, I have 2 minus 1. I'll circle the 2, 2, 1. My answer is 159. Well done. Be sure to check your work. I'm going to give you a set of problems. Please copy these down. 681 minus 397 and 755 minus 467. I'm going to give you a few moments now to subtract these on your own. You may begin. Let's subtract these problems together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and copy what you're missing, or pause the video to give yourself more time. We'll begin with 1 minus 7. We'll circle the 7, which means to borrow. The 1 becomes an 11. The 8 becomes a 7. Then we'll touch and count. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Next, we'll circle the 9, which is on the bottom, so it means we have to borrow. The 7 becomes a 17. We cross off the 6, and that goes down to a 5. Then we touch and count. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Next, we'll circle the 5, touch and count. 5, 4, 3, 2. Our answer is 284. Next, we'll circle the 7 in the ones place value because 7 is bigger than 5. We need to borrow. The 5 becomes a 15. We borrow from the 5, which goes down to a 4. Now we can touch and count. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Next, between 4 and 6, 6 is bigger and on the bottom, so it means we need to borrow. The 4 becomes a 14. We cross off the 7, which becomes a 6. Now we can subtract 14 minus 6. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Finally, we'll circle the 6, touch and count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Our answer is 288. Well done. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we learned about regrouping twice with 3 digits. Thank you for following along.